Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable disputes for fraud charges on Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. To enable disputes for fraud charges on Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account that reflects the fraudulent charge. Scroll down to the transaction history and locate the disputed transaction. Click on the transaction to view more details. Look for an option that says Dispute this transaction or Report fraud. Once you've selected this option, follow the prompts to begin the dispute process. You may be asked to provide details regarding the fraudulent charge. Fill in all required information accurately and thoroughly. After completing the form, submit your dispute. Keep an eye out for a confirmation notification regarding your dispute submission. Wells Fargo may contact you for additional information, so be ready to respond. Check your email for updates on the status of your dispute. You can also monitor your account for any changes related to the disputed charge. If necessary, follow up with customer service for further assistance. Once your dispute is processed, you will receive a notification of the outcome. Make sure to review the final outcome to ensure your concerns were addressed. If the resolution is unsatisfactory, you can escalate the issue within Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.